Music. Welcome to a review of Bloom, the CBT therapy app for mental health. Find links to the app and other resources below. Bloom provides accessible and effective cognitive behavioral therapy (CBT) support. Ideal for managing anxiety, stress, depression, or simply boosting well-being, Bloom offers practical tools and daily routines based on CBT principles. Bloom's guided therapy sessions combine expert videos with interactive exercises, targeting challenges like negative thoughts, low self-esteem, and daily stress. Concise and easy to follow, they fit busy schedules. Track emotions, set intentions, and reflect with Bloom's daily mental health journal. Data visualization tools reveal patterns and triggers, empowering you to take control of your mental health. Need relaxation? Bloom offers a library of meditations and breathing exercises to reduce stress and promote emotional balance. Perfect for immediate relief or building a consistent mindfulness routine. Bloom personalizes your experience. Upon starting, it assesses your goals and recommends content aligned with your objectives. This tailored approach ensures you feel supported and engaged. With its user-friendly interface and clinically backed CBT framework, Bloom is a practical and affordable alternative to traditional therapy. It's great for independent work or complementing existing therapy. Ready to take charge of your mental well-being with evidence-based tools? Check the links below to learn more and start your Bloom journey today.